Yo, 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 welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This is my first time using my voice, well, voice changer. Just got a mic. Today we're playing South for Muddy and we're going tanking. Well, we're putting gas into the gas station with our semi truck. So yeah, we are going to go, well, we are going to go get the semi truck and go fill up. Well, we're gonna go unload the gas. Then we're gonna head back, and then we're gonna go to sleep. Yeah, well, not go to sleep, but like end it off that day. So yeah, truck is right there. Yeah. All right, so let's go. Alrighty, we are here. Okay, I'm back up. Ready. My truck up. Alright, let's get it. Holy, this thing is massive. Okay, let's get it. Alright, we are in. Okay, let's go. So we gotta go fill it up with gas. Yeah, let's hope we don't crash. Alrighty, guys. We have just left. So, very excited. You know, my first day on the job. Yeah. You know, it's pretty cool driving a semi-truck, you know? Very sick. Okay, make a wide turn. Alrighty. Stop sign is safe. Alrighty, let's go. Now, I don't know how we can get into this gas station, but we will see how. Alrighty. Okay. Gosh. Watch out. Oh, sorry. I did not mean to do that. Alright. Okay, we good. Right. Oh, post. Okay. Alright. Okay, let's quickly put this in. Alright. Put that in. Okay. Put that one. Alright. Put that one. And that one. Alright. Let's fill in. Let's make sure it's good. Okay, that one's good. That one's good. That one's good. That one's good. Alright, they're good. Alrighty. Now let me quickly click this thing right here. Alright. I'll take it out. Alright. Let's go. Alright. Head home. Or start. Come on. Alright. Now we gotta get out. Alright, we're gonna go back up. Alright. Please don't hit. Oh, that was so close. Alright. Okay, we're gonna go. Ooh, that was a close one. Okay. And of course, it has to rain my first day on the job. That's it. Let me just go back this way. Go a lot more, you know. Alright. So, yeah. Yeah. Alright. So, I'm gonna take a good dirt road. Actually, nah. It's too risky. But we're almost there. Okay. Yeah, I'm getting excited. Alright, we stopped the brake. Okay, let's go this. Okay. Oi. was loud. Alright, so we're so close. Holy, that's loud. Alright. Okay, we're almost here. There's my house. Alright, let's go. Alright. We hit the stop sign or we'll be safe. Oh, stop sign got knocked. Alright, I don't know. I'm gonna go back this. I'm gonna just park behind. Go down. Just park behind. So let's go ahead. Just park it right here. Alright. Okay. Look at my truck! Oh, we made it. Okay. Let's go. Alright, let's go. Okay, yeah. Alright. I love this truck, man. It's so beautiful. Alright, well, let's make a left turn here. Another one. Alright, and yeah, we are home. Okay. I'm truck in the guards because I don't want to get struck. Like, oh my lord. No. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay. Come on. Let's go. And almost. Barely. Almost hit it. Okay. Oh, wait. I forgot we go. Okay, there we go. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.